Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Skoda Karoq's infotainment system? Here's a quick guide to potential causes and fixes. Black screens often result from power supply problems like blown fuses, software crashes, or faulty display modules. Check the fuse box under the dashboard first for blown fuses. No audio can stem from speaker wiring faults, amplifier issues, or incorrect audio settings. Understanding that the system relies on a 12-volt DC supply and CAN bus communication is key. Most problems are often software-related, while others can be hardware. If the screen is completely black or the audio is still not coming through, it will most likely require a dealership to replace parts. Before seeking professional help, try a basic reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears the cache and reloads the OS. Regular over-the-air OTA software updates via the Skoda app or dealership can prevent future issues. Skoda's 2025 firmware patch fixed many black screen problems. In the future, AI-driven systems with predictive diagnostics promise to reduce manual resets significantly. However, be aware of cybersecurity vulnerabilities and avoid unauthorized modifications that void warranties. If resetting doesn't work, check the fuses in your car or take it to the dealership for hardware replacements or diagnosis.